Using AI for rubric writing has led to several positive outcomes. Firstly, it's a huge time saver. Writing good rubrics takes time. I could easily spend a day writing a rubric, but I can have a fairly decent draft in a few minutes now. Secondly, AI is really good at writing performance descriptors. I've always found this to be one of the most time-consuming and challenging aspects of rubric writing, and good performance descriptors are really important for students so they know what our expectations are and the quality that we're looking for. Thirdly, having a well-written rubric is so important for assessment transparency, particularly when you encourage students to really engage with the rubric through the assessment process. In my experience, when you have a sound rubric, you're less likely to have requests for assessment remarks. While beneficial, AI-generated rubrics have some limitations. They may not fully capture the nuanced understanding required, so this is where your disciplinary knowledge and expertise comes in. You really need to work in partnership with the AI to develop a sound rubric. The generated output needs careful review to ensure that it aligns with the specific learning goals of the course. So you need to start with an assessment brief that provides enough detail for the AI to work with, but also is well aligned to the course learning outcomes, which will be derived from the program learning outcomes or the graduate capabilities in your discipline. So a sound understanding of course design principles is critical.